Starting from a blank page can be really daunting. What do you put on it? Where do you start? Do you start at the beginning or the end? Or maybe the middle is the best place. But whatever you do, you just have to start. You pick up that paper and you cut it. So maybe you don't have the most expensive tools and gadgets and gadgets, but you do have some, so use what you have. And once you start, you'll keep going, and you'll take that and you'll move on to the next step. And from there, the vision that you saw will begin to form. And yes, you may have to try and try and try again, but eventually you'll begin to see things come together. They'll make those straight edges. They'll line up just right. Just enough for you to say, I think I got this. I think I might be onto something. And as that realization begins to set in, you decide, I'm gonna jump all in and add a little color. And so you continue. And you push forward, no matter how many setbacks you have, no matter how slow things seem to be moving. You continue. You push forward. You take that next step. Because if you don't, nothing, and I do mean nothing, will happen. You check your work. You check it again. You double check what you already checked. And then again, you move on to that next step. And just as the exhaustion sets in and you're ready to stop, something comes out right. And you keep forward. You push forward. And you say again, I got this. Because I know what I'm doing. I'm good at what I do. If I wasn't, I wouldn't be doing it. So why doubt yourself when you know you have all the tools in those magical hands of yours? So push forward. Keep going, even when you don't think you can, because believe me, you can. And when you do, you'll realize that all along, through all the trials and tribulations, you had the secret weapon the entire time. You searched and searched for answers. You asked friends for help. And all along, the magic was in you. So next time you doubt yourself, next time you say, I can't, just remember that you have, and you did, and you will again. Because you have what it takes.